actually kind of fast, I can't lie. So today we're driving this 2019 Audi TT S. It is a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It's got around 300 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. We'll see how we like it. I've never actually driven an Audi before, but yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so driving the Audi TT S. It's actually my first time ever driving an Audi, and immediately I can tell that this feels more luxurious than driving a Mustang or a Corvette. This Alcantara steering wheel is so nice feeling. The turbo lag is evident though. This is a 2-liter turbocharged engine making around 300 horsepower, 281 pound-feet of torque. With these turbocharged cars, you can really tell the delay in power when you put your foot on the ground, even at higher RPMs. But once those turbos kick in, you can really feel it. The cockpit view is so much more driver oriented than most other cars due to the display only being in the middle. There's no display in this vicinity whatsoever. Alright, let's get a U-turn here. Turn radius test here on the U-turn. Sounds pretty damn good. You can tell you're also in a light car when you're driving something like this. It's so nimble and twitchy. I like it. Alright. I mean, it's a really fun little car. The interior is nice, it's quiet when the windows are up. There's carbon fiber here, there's carbon fiber in the middle of the dash. The seats are really nice, this Argyle stitched red leather. The seats are comfy, they hug your sides well. Visibility is good in something this little. It's weird, this car is like a hatchback too. Once you open the trunk, it's all see-through. It's all, you know, there's no trunk liner separating the back seat versus the trunk like in a normal 2-door sedan. Or coupe, I should say. Thanks again for clicking on another one of my videos, by the way. It's been you know, the first Porsche one we got around 150 views, which is something I'm so grateful for, and I honestly didn't think anybody would watch the video, but I'm glad y'all came back to you know, I had a couple shorts posted. I didn't have any real videos posted, but I'm glad y'all were able to find that Porsche video. I had a lot of fun making it. I know the aspect ratio was a little bit off, and you know, the camera angle wasn't the best, but hopefully now that I got the hat clip, the angle on this video will be a lot better. But please comment. What do y'all want? Do you want more, you know, car-oriented vlog style things? Do you continue with these POV drive videos of just different random cars? You know, I want to make videos for what y'all want to see, not versus what, you know, regardless of if I'm driving a car, if I'm making a car vlog video, I'm gonna have fun doing it, but I want to make what y'all want. And if that's driving Tesla Cybertrucks, I'll do it. My girlfriend actually does have a Model Y, and I'm gonna ask her if that's the next car I can review for you guys. I'm gonna try to see if we can get to an area where we can do a little launch with this thing. I'm thinking I'm just gonna turn around here. We can go back up the way we came. Now we're really gonna test the turn radius. Pretty good. Not bad. I got all the way turned around in that little tiny parking lot. I'll whip out here. This is a fun car. The handling for this car is amazing. And I don't know if that's just due to how small this car is, how well the steering is calibrated, but the handling is so good. And I'm really impressed by Audi's, drive quality. This car is just, low to the ground, tiny little sports car, just absorbing all these bumps effortlessly. I'm thinking if we get turned around on this road, we can maybe do a little launch if there's not a lot of cars coming. But I'm just gonna have to be careful with cops. Oh, this might be better down here if we catch the light. Yeah, we'll be able to do it here. Oof, I got up there quick. That was nice. All-wheel drive, that's what you get for these launches. There's no slipping whatsoever. I mean, it just takes off. And once those turbos kick in, you're really moving. Not why you buy these cars. I'm about to do something kind of illegal, but it is what it is. Out of corners too, this thing just rockets off the line. But I want to hear y'all's opinion on this car, because obviously you saw the outside of it. It's a strange looking car. Here's some of these downshifts. I don't know. Give me your opinion on what you think this car, how it looks in the comments, because I don't know. I don't know if I like it. This thing's actually kind of fast. I can't lie. I'm surprised by this. I mean, listen to this. Oh. What's up, guys? I just want to say thank you so much for watching the Audi TT S video, and be sure to like, comment which car you want me to do next, POV drive of, and subscribe. I only have 3 subscribers, so you could be one of the first 10. Our goal right now is to get 100 subscribers by the end of October. So let's see if we can do it. Peace.